I got a monkey the other day. Not a good idea, some would say. He was great and loved to play, but what I didn't know was, my monkey was gay. With a certain talk and a certain walk, showing me his monkey cock. Keep throwing his banana like a dick, watching the chick flick, more curious than Curious George. A dildo he had to forge, fucking my ass, giving me sass. My gay monkey. Sneaking in my bed at night, giving my dick a big bite. It was quite a sight. My gay monkey, my gay monkey, my gay monkey.
Monkey pimp, monkey pimp, monkey pimp. He ain't no simp. Ice on his wrist, banana in his fist. Hands for his feet so he can beat his meat. Swinging from a vine, wearing Calvin Klein. Shitting in the street, they go to his 4-story suite. Girls give him coochie because they like his Gucci. King of the jungle, ready to rumble. Got long ass hair, make him look like a bear. Pissing everywhere while swinging in the air.
Chimpanzee, chimpanzee, chimpanzee. A monkey is a chimpanzee. He fucks his bitches upside down, sticks it in the ass till his dick gets brown. He be swinging around in the trees, wearing gold watches down to the knees. He be wearing his fedora, exploring like Dora. Monkey be picking my fleas, while I rid his dick of cheese. Monkey got that Gucci belt, got that money made of felt. Gold toilet to take a pee, had a mansion in a birch tree. Monkey is fly and he might be bi. You should meet him one day, just know he's a little gay.